So the last day we're doing complex numbers. I'm just going to quickly do one or two of these, okay? The first one is asking you u multiplied by w. U multiplied by w is 2 plus 3i, because that's what it says u is. W is 1 minus i. Now to do this, what you got to do is you got to multiply it out. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times minus I, minus 2i. 3i times 1, 3i. 3i times minus I, minus 3i squared. This is exactly the same as algebra, with one difference. Anytime you see an I squared, you got to change it to minus 1. So this here is now minus 3 times minus 1, which gives you plus 3. Okay, so it's going to be 2 plus 3 minus 2i plus 3i is plus I. And now you get 2 plus 3 is 5. The answer for that one is 5 plus I. Okay? Moving on to number 18 is a tough one. So I'll do number 18, which is now. As it turns out, to do number 18, we also have to do number 17. So I'll do 17 first, then I'll show you the answer to 18. So for number 17, what I ask you to do is this. It says u squared. U squared is 2 plus 3i squared. And if I can say one thing, will everybody please, from this point onwards, when you see a bracket with a square outside it and it has more than one number in the middle, please write it out twice. If you write it out twice, people rarely make the error. Now what you're going to do is 2 by 2, get you 4, 2 by 3i, 6i, 3 by 2i, 6i, 3i by 3i, 9i squared. Replace the I squared with minus 1. 9 times minus 1, minus 9. Now 4 minus 9, 4 minus 9, minus 5, 6i plus 6i, 12i. Okay guys, that is the answer to question 17. Okay, and question 17 is, let's put it up here to the corner. Okay, out of the way. Now, in question 18, they want you to use u squared again. And they want you to multiply 2i by the answer of u squared. And you know that the answer of u squared is minus 5 plus 12i. So now you multiply it in. 2i times minus 5, minus 10i. 2i plus multiplied by 12i is 24i squared. Then the I squared turns into minus 1. So it's 24 times minus 1, which gets you minus 24. So it's going to be minus 10i minus 24. And it doesn't matter which way. It asks you to put the I value second. Okay? So it asks you to put the normal value first and the I value second. So what the answer we'll get here is minus 24 minus 10i. Alright guys.